Hello ladies and gentlemen, Zbigniew Lukowski tutorials here, and finally, after 2 years of hard work, my YouTube channel was monetized. So what a long journey it was. I must tell you that if I would be asked today whether or not you should do it or not, I would tell you do something else. The amount of energy, of work and dedication it needs to monetize your channel is just enormous. If you don't have any kind of marketing skill or your niche is something you are discovering, then I think that it's not possible to do it in less than 6 months. 6 months of hard work. And even if you are having the 1000 subscribers, because there are two rules to be monetized. I mean, three. First of all, you cannot use probably a content which is not eligible for monetization, like AI content, or you should disclose it and then nobody watches any kind of movies, any kind of videos. And if you are eligible for monetization, you need to gather 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours. And usually one of the two things happens, at least from my point of view and other similar channels which authors I already know. Either you get 1000 subscribers or your watch time hours, but you don't get both in the same time. So this is smart. This is smart from YouTube to do it. And even if you are not monetized, your channel can have advertisers, and they can put advertisements on your channel. This is also possible. And for me, this is not so, I would say, fair for the small creators. At least you should pay us from the adverts from the ads we already got in the past when we are finally monetized, but you aren't. So this is not something that great. And yeah, so I've been monetized for 28 days now or something like this. And let me go to the analytics, because this is something which you all want. So analytics, as you can see, the revenue, this is when this channel was created and there was no, and there wasn't any kind of rules you have to oblige to monetize at the start. So as you can see, I've already had some kind of monetization. Then the new rule of 1400 hours applied, and no monetization for years and years. This is when I've started to post IT content, because earlier it was a Lego channel, as you can see on my miniature. I didn't change it for the reason to remember when and how it all started. And then finally, after 138 videos, from which I've got only 90 to this day, because this IT content, this coding content is easily changed and easily getting out of the scope. So you are giving people wrong advice. So there are some videos you have to remove. So if you are watching any kind of coding content and something doesn't work, just write a comment that it doesn't. And after a couple of comments, the author can review there's content and see if it's fixed or not. So first month, let's go. Basically, what you see this is my total revenue, which is $50. Wow, what can I get from this? And after $50, you can see that most of the revenue is coming from the watch page ads, and some part is from YouTube Premium, because you aren't getting ads if you have YouTube Premium, but YouTube is also giving you the cut. So basically, my CPM which is a metric showing how much advertisers can pay for 1,000 of your views, is $12. But if you see that here, you see that my real revenue is $3.71, which is RPM. I believe that the difference is not only the cut that YouTube takes, I think it's 45% now, but also this CPM is the metric which is showing you your potential, your full potential, but not all the ads will be filled. So if you are a new channel, probably you won't get all the ad fields filled, and you will get lower of this amount. So this is the type of ads which I have, which probably does not interest anyone. About the overview, as you can see, this is from 50,000 watch views. And fun fact I can show you here is that my channel was about 200, 300, and when I have stopped this posting of new videos, my channel finally began to grow some impressions over time, and more views were coming. And this is happening, I think, because if you are showing your new videos to your subscribers and they aren't watching your videos, then you are going to have lower impressions. This, as you can see, those impressions, because this is the lowest points of the impressions. This is how many times your video is even visible for a person. And basically, if you will stop putting the content in, you will get the lower rates. But after this, your algorithm will learn what are the person which are interested in your content. Still, if you will put new videos and you will show it to your subscribers like this, those are probably shown to my subscribers, then it will drop. It will drop because the YouTube will see that your new videos aren't performing that well and won't show other videos. I think this is kind of when you get your foil cap and pretend this is all a setup, but I think this is what happened, I believe. If you believe that this was something else, then you can write in the comment. So the impressions also went up if you aren't posting. So the breaks are also important. I've got new batch of the videos right now, so I will probably start posting again. I was just holding myself to the moment to get monetized because I believe that if I don't, then I will get lower impressions and I will just suffer from my new content, which is absurd. But this is what I believed in. So this is the content. The audience, this is also important in terms of revenue, because if you are posting your English channel or your local channel, those revenue rates will be different. I believe that USA is one of the highest paying countries in terms of RPM, and India is one of the lowest. So I've got both here. Greetings from Poland for my users in USA and in India, and others are like, some are good, some are bad in terms of CPM. You know, this is based on the revenue that people make. So geography is the most important factor from other creators, which I believe is what other creators told. This is hello females, 15% of females in tech. This is probably about right, at least in Poland, I guess. And the age, I believe that the higher the age, the more the more the payment it is. So this is those are the lowest paying ages, because people don't have money at the start of the life, like I did also. So cheer capitalism, yeah. And what else can I tell you? Oh, subscribers bell, this is something not important. When the viewers are on YouTube, I believe that there was no difference from me when I post my videos. I could do it at 3 a.m. and it will get same traction. It wasn't important in my case, because my videos are different than other content on YouTube. I have also 2 other channels, and in IT, in coding, in tech channel, the longer the video is up, the higher the views it gets. So let me show you this on a live example, like we have this video. If you are having the coding channel and you are seeing the traction, so this is the video. The longer it lives, the higher views it gets. Unless it's outdated, then it can get nothing. So based on this, you should make the content which is higher in the longevity. So this means that you should update the content or you should repost it when it's outdated and with the new version. So this is, or you can comment that something changed in the comment and pin it if you are short on time. But the regular videos, the regular channel is usually looks different. It looks like this, and then it drops and drops and drops to the point that nobody is watching the channel, because as you know, that attention span and the usual video living potential is low. So this is different in the coding channel. Yeah, so I think that this is something which this is everything from my side. I think average view duration is 3 minutes, which is for this video. Probably I have some short content, so for all the videos it will be lower, but over 2 minutes it's actually good if you consider that attention span of people is not high right now. This is funny, because if you will see that you will get your gender and age. Can I watch it? I think I can do it from this metric, and I don't want to get to the detailed statistic, but the younger your audience is, the lower the average duration will be. So basically, if you are older, then you can watch 3 minutes, and if you are younger, you can watch 1 minute. So hello HD and DD, right? Unique viewers. This is, you can see that how many viewers are here, how many are returning viewers. You can, if you are in the different niche, you may have much different results, and even the returning viewers can be higher than the new viewers. That's also depends. Yeah, that's it, I think. Yeah, what a journey it was. So $52 from the first month, and you need to create an AdSense account, which you link. It's fairly easy. You probably can mention yourself. Plus, you need to get taxed in the USA, get taxed in your country, get taxed in European Union. So, love the taxes. And what can I show you? The analytics. You can also see the analytics here if you need highest watched video is just under 100 views per day. And this is probably my highest paying video. You can see it's $3.89, and it's kind of bumpy ride, but it doesn't look it will get better for this video. Yep. So thank you for watching this content, and I hope it was informative. I will of course answer any questions if you have them, so you can ask me in the chat. Yeah, and this is it for now. So Zbigniew Lukowski out. See you.